Good morning, my Destiny's right. How are you guys today? About to have my coconut milk cappuccino right here.
And I'm gonna have a fresh coconut.
Oh yeah. So we passed by Govinda to have our breakfast again. We like the food is great, but it seems like they don't have a fixed time to open in the morning.
Yeah,
because
they said it's 9:30.
the guy working there told me it's 9:30 during the week, and today's Monday, but now it's like 11:30 and it's not open. Oh, now it's like 9:30, almost
now
10.
It's like 10.
10 and
yeah.
it's not open.
So for us, we actually like to eat breakfast earlier, but what we are doing every day is we are waiting for them to open.
Because
so
we don't have another alternative to eat in the morning.
We can have breakfast. And then, like, until now they only opened once at 9:30, so well, maybe it's a better option for lunch.
Yeah, so you guys check it out if you're vegan, vegetarian. I mean,
maybe figure something else for breakfast.
Like a backup plan in case it happens like us. Anyway, so we are walking through the beach now. We are going to Panam Beach and Pranam Cave. So we are walking to Pranam Cave now, and we know they sell fruits at the end of the beach before you get the trail to cross to Pranam Cave. So let's go. Okay, so pineapple, cashew, mango, corn.
One pineapple.
What a good hug, huh? So we made it to Pranam Cave Beach. Let's have a dip at the lagoon first. Sorry?
Lots of people walk.
Yes, right there. That guy right there. So he's going up again. Okay, so we finished our lunch. It was delicious food, and now we are going to this bar. Shakes a lot, it's kind of scary.
Yeah, but the place he's sitting, it's shaking. It's not a very stable, it kind of flows with the tree. Let me show you another angle.
Is it hard to be comfortable there? Okay, now you can pose for the picture and look like, oh. Which sunscreen you using there?
I'm using Kiss My Face. That is vegan.
cruelty free.
No animal ingredients, no animal testing. My big nose needs a little extra, okay?
And we are back to Pranam Cave Beach. Enjoy the sunset, which is about to happen there. Now it's around 3:30. Gonna take a dip on the water. You look quite white now, especially your nose.
Sunblock.
So the cave here at Pranam Cave Beach, if you come during the morning, the tide is high, so you can pass by this place with kayak. It's beautiful, it's awesome to see the people kayaking around here. And now in the afternoon, the tide is very low and you can walk and you can actually cross to the other side. As you guys know, I have my buddy here. We like to be together on these adventures, but she's waiting that baby, so maybe next time. But if you can, just go for it. Be careful with the slippery sand on the rocks and have fun.
Vegan hot dog.
And enjoy this beautiful sunset in Railay Beach.